Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We have the GENMAX 6000 watt dual fuel. Okay guys, let's get it out of the box so we can take a closer look at it. First thing you see is that manual. There you go. Okay guys, what do we have in this box? See my funnel and my little toolkit with spark plug and a screwdriver. As always, nicely packed. This one has something a little extra right here. This will be your fuel regulator. There you go. You got your fuel regulator and some extra adapters so you can make extension cords. Set this to the side as well. Here's your fuel regulator. Okay guys, here it is, the GENMAX 6000 watt generator with CO detect, remote start, dual fuel, everything you need for a backup, a home backup generator or a 50 amp RV. Front view of the generator, we'll go ahead and take a closer look at the display. Here it is, the left side of the generator. As you can see, that's the pull start. That's the way you also put your oil. If you guys look closely, you can see the remote. Have your remote. Let's take a closer look at the panel. You have your main switch right here. Okay, this is your power switch, on, off. You do have a push button start on this. GFCI protected, 120 volt plugs. Here you go, your 4-pin. This is your 240 volt and 120 volt plug at 30 amps. Your reset, circuit breaker. You have 2 USB, your low idle, and this huge digital display. You can get hours, voltage, the load, gasoline meter, and the frequency. Power, overload, low oil light. Here's your selector, so you go propane, off, and gas. I know you guys are going to ask me, can you drain the carburetor? Since you have a power switch, you'd go to gas. If you put this to off, it's going to starve the carburetor and the generator is going to shut off. Don't forget to turn off your power switch. Yes, so it does drain the carburetor. Here's your CO alert. This will carbon monoxide detector. This will shut the generator off if you leave it inside somewhere. Here's your ground. Over here, can you guys see this? This is where you put your propane. Okay, so you connect your propane, switch this to propane, and it will run off propane. All right, let's open the generator. Let's add some oil. We're gonna do a dB test. See how quiet it is. Okay. Okay, just like the 5500 guys, you have this little hose connected to your engine. I love this because to change your oil, guys, all you do is just open this door, tilt this down, raise the generator up a little bit, kind of like tilt it back, put something on the bottom, drain it, put your top back on. That's it for your oil change. If you pull this out right here, this is where your battery will be connected. So you just connect these two together, that connects your battery. I like to make sure I have oil in there first before I do that. Okay, let's add some oil. Okay guys, I went ahead and add oil in this generator. Let's go ahead and connect our battery. Just plug this together. Try to tuck it in real good. I like to use this to hold my oil, the hose up. Get the top back on. Get your cover back on. Twist it up. Let's just add some gas, just enough to do a dB test and get it running. I'm going to let it run for 30 minutes. Once I get my 30-minute run, I'll change the oil. Okay guys, we got gas, we have the battery connected, oil in the generator. One thing I forgot to show you guys is the telescoping handle in the front. You just push this button, pull it out, helps you move the generator. Have this nice wheels in the back, makes it real easy to move around. Okay, gas tank. It looks like this is a fuel gauge, but it's not. It's actually where the sensor's hooked up for the fuel gauge. You do get your fuel reading on a digital display right here. Okay, let's go ahead and get our first start. Another thing is, this is where your battery is located, if you're trying to find that. Guys, anything I missed in this video, just go down to the description. I'm going to have a full listing of everything about this generator, okay? So just go down to the description and you can get everything right there, including the link to buy this generator. Okay, let's get this back in. Okay, guys, we're going to get our first start. Remember what I said. Main switch, power on. Get that beautiful display coming on right away. We're going to be doing gas, so we'll go to gas. Then you just push and hold that start button. There you go. Let that gas come down again. Do it a second before that second start. Hit that start button again. There you go. I'm going to let it run for a little bit, let it warm up. Lovely looking generator. All right, there you go. 6,000 starting on gas, 5,250 running watts. On propane, you get 5,500 starting, 4,750. Okay? Okay guys, we got the generator right at 23 feet. I'm going to demonstrate the remote start. It's in eco mode. Generator's eco mode. Let's call it 52.4. Let's go ahead and turn eco mode off. Eco mode's off. $54.5. Eco mode off. We just did a quick unboxing. The GENMAX 6000 dual fuel generator. Okay, guys, this is going to be a generator that's for someone that wanted everything. Okay, dual fuel. See a recoil starter, remote starter, push starter, full display, 240 volts. Okay, almost every option. Covers, dust covers. All right, the ability to drain the carburetor. Everything you need in one generator, in a small, compact generator. And light. This is just above 100 pounds. All right. So the GENMAX dual fuel, guys, please stay tuned. I am going to be load testing this generator. I'm going to put some hours on it first. Then we're going to do the load test. We're going to do the load test on gas and propane. I know you guys been asking for that, so I will do it on this generator. Okay, if you like this video, guys, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you want to buy this generator, look down in the description. I will have a link to this generator on Amazon. Okay? Have a nice day, guys. Thanks for watching my videos. I appreciate you. Thank you. Bye.